if it's...
Nyali today is, ngayon ay 6 years old ka. 10 years from now, you will be 16.
Yeah, but...
Sa tingin mo, what would you become 10 years from now?
I would get 2K subs. I know that's kind of like small, but it's still big.
Wow, I like that answer. You will continue doing YouTube vlogging?
Yeah, but I would still have this.
Tingnan nga, pakita mo. 10 years from now, kung buhay pa yan. Patingin. This is my melody. This is how it looks like 10 years from now. So, we will remember this video. So, what else do you like to say? Tumayo ka, tumayo ka.
I would still take care of baby my melody.
Okay, what will you say to your future self? Do you think you're still at school?
I wish I would be a ballerina.
What else? What can you say about
I would get in one room of my extra room in our house, future house. I would get a daycare.
Daycare?
A play daycare. Actually, I would want that at
Maglaltayo tayo ng business?
No, room.
Room for yourself?
Yeah.
For my melody?
Yeah.
Para
school niya.
What will you say to your future self?
I don't know.
Ikaw, ano bang nasa isip mo sa tingin na you'd be you hope you'll be happy?
Just give me my money.
And wala kang sasabihin sa future self mo?
Yeah, I do.
Anong gusto mong maging 10 years from now? What character would you like to have?
Nano?
Ikaw, anong character ang gusto mong maging?
I wanna be an artist and a YouTuber and a ballerina. I know that's a lot.
What?
I have 3 things to do every day.
Nothing is impossible if you will do your best.
Yeah, I know.
Okay? You think, mabait na bata ka pa rin by that time?
Apa.
Ano pa? Do you think you can drive na by that time?
I think no.
Why?
Baka wala ka akong driving license.
16 years old, pwede na ata eh. Do you think may trabaho ka na by that time? You were doing side hustles job?
No, I would just do it. I would prefer an online job.
Online job?
Pang morning.
Pang morning?
Opo.
Why but pang gabi?
Ha?
Pang gabi?
No.
Okay, that's nice.
I don't want my future, I don't, pag older na ako than 16 years old, I would get a baby, right, Mommy?
No, you're still young, anak.
Hindi, pag mga 30, gano'n.
16, nag-aaral ka pa lang, hindi ka pa pwedeng mag-asawa.
Hindi, really future baby.
Okay. Paglaki mo na, pagtanda mo na, ha? Pag-graduate mo man lang ng college, anak. Pero sana ma-enjoy mo muna yung life mo. Pero ma-enjoy mo naman life mo kahit may asawa at anak ka na, right?
Aki.
Like mommy and daddy. No?
Yeah.
Love you?
Love you!
Do you think you still love yourself by that time?
Yeah. Mommy, can I have the phone?
Wait.